These machines are oddly satisfying and totally genius. In this video, we're showcasing the most mesmerizing machines and brilliant tools that are transforming how we work, build, and create. From robotic arms with hypnotic precision to cutting-edge construction tech, prepare to be visually blown away by the creativity and innovation behind each invention. Whether you're here for the tech or the pure satisfaction, this is one video you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the futuristic tools making life easier and way more fun. The rise of automation. Automation is reshaping industries in remarkable ways, with satisfying machines leading the charge. Take robotic arms, for instance. These marvels of engineering perform tasks with incredible precision, from assembling electronics to packaging goods. Conveyor systems are another prime example, streamlining processes and enhancing productivity in warehouses and factories. As we explore these automated wonders, you'll witness their efficiency in action, transforming mundane tasks into mesmerizing displays of coordination and speed. Get ready to be captivated by visuals that showcase the seamless operations of these machines, illustrating how automation is not just a trend, but a game changer across various sectors. Ingenious tools for everyday tasks. In our fast-paced lives, innovative tools can make all the difference in simplifying daily tasks. Take the Leatherman multi-tool, for example. This compact gadget combines multiple functions into one, making it a go-to for everything from repairs to outdoor adventures. Then there's the Swiffer mop, designed to tackle cleaning with ease and efficiency, transforming the chore into a quick and satisfying experience. Throughout this segment, we'll demonstrate how these tools enhance productivity and elevate user experience, showcasing their effectiveness in real-life scenarios. Get ready to see these ingenious inventions in action, making everyday tasks not just easier, but also more enjoyable. Cutting-edge tech in manufacturing. The manufacturing landscape is being transformed by cutting-edge technologies that enhance both speed and quality. Among these innovations are 3D printers, which allow for the creation of intricate designs with remarkable precision, enabling rapid prototyping and customization. CNC routers are another game changer, effortlessly carving complex shapes from various materials, ensuring consistency and accuracy in production. In this segment, we'll delve into how these machines are revolutionizing manufacturing processes, significantly boosting production speed while maintaining high standards. Prepare to be amazed as we incorporate visuals of these machines at work, showcasing their satisfying capabilities and the future of manufacturing. Satisfying mechanisms in action. Get ready to be captivated by machines that showcase satisfying mechanisms in action. We'll explore delightful creations like the Rube Goldberg machine, which uses a series of intricate steps to accomplish simple tasks in the most entertaining way. Marble runs also take center stage, demonstrating how gravity and design come together to create mesmerizing pathways for marbles. In this segment, we'll explain the engineering behind these clever mechanisms, highlighting their visual appeal and the creativity involved. Join us in appreciating the ingenuity that brings these satisfying machines to life, reminding us that engineering can be both functional and wonderfully entertaining. The future of tools and machines. As we look ahead, the future of tools and machines is brimming with exciting trends and innovations. Emerging technologies like AI-driven tools and smart machines are set to revolutionize how we interact with our environment. Imagine a world where your tools anticipate your needs, enhancing efficiency and creativity in ways we've only dreamed of. How will these advancements change our daily lives and workspaces? In this segment, we'll explore the potential impact of these technologies, encouraging you to ponder thought-provoking questions about the future of technology. Join us as we envision a smarter, more connected world filled with endless possibilities. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of satisfying machines and ingenious tools, highlighting their impact on efficiency, creativity, and everyday tasks. From the mesmerizing operations of robotic arms to the innovative designs of multi-tools, these advancements are truly remarkable. If you enjoyed this journey into cutting-edge technology, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends who would appreciate it too. We invite you to explore related videos on our channel for even more insights and discoveries. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next adventure into the world of technology.